Hello everybody, today we'll get starting stretching with me and to work with splits and mobility of our hips. So stay with me and we will get started. So first exercise which we will do, we'll get sit in this position. So we will take our legs, take our right leg more for ourselves, take our breath and slowly breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back, and now we will work with our hip. So we slowly turn and back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, and 5. Stay in this position. Take our hands and slowly take it on the floor and starting slowly pushing our body down. So 1, 2, 3, and relax. After that, we will take the legs together, take our breath, slowly get down and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it, subscribe, and write me good comments. So, bye bye.